Right now we're going to look at a single-story property located at 12011 Silver Valley. This is out in Silver Canyon subdivision. This is off Gom Road and FM 1560. Gom Road is also Shanefield Road. If you go on the other side of FM 1560, that takes you straight up to Loop 1604. Square footage here is approximately 1,682. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice entry here. As you can see, it's an open floor plan. Swing back here at the front door. Going to have a nice office space up front, double doors. Throughout this house is going to be ceramic tile and carpet. Kitchen off here to your left. Dining room there in front. This zip code here is 78254. It's also in the Northside ISD. So in the back, you're going to have the master up front. You'll have the 2 other bedrooms. Second bath up front here as well. These bedrooms do have fans in them. These 2 up front here, approximate size 10 by 11. Laundry here leads right out to the garage. 2-car garage with a garage door opener. Does have a water softener. Also has some built-in overhead storage. Some shelves that gives you extra space out in the garage for you. Straight out into the family room here. We'll go here and get a good look back at the front. And the master bedroom's back here by itself. Master is going to be approximately 13 by 12. And into the master bath. Double vanity. Does have a shower as well. And it's also tiled in here. Alright, back in the master does have a fan as well. This property is managed by Liberty Management. They're located at 7217 Bandera Road. We're going to go out back now. You can always call Liberty Management at 210-681-8080. If you have any questions or you want to see the property, you can also call Mark Fee, realtor who always has a lot of information. His phone number is 210-618-9161. Once again, this is out Gom Road, out past FM 1560, 12011 Silver Valley in the Silver Canyon subdivision. This house was built in 2019. It's in the Northside ISD, zip code 78254. All right? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 12011 Silver Valley. Thank you for watching.